To install the Playbook AI plugin, go to Settings tab, click on Install Chrome extension, click on Add to Chrome, Add extension. Go to your extensions, you'll find Playbook AI plugin there. You can pin it, go to the menu, Options, and check the Enable Automation option and save it. Options saved. Now the plugin is successfully installed. To set up your LinkedIn account for Playbook AI, sign into your LinkedIn account, go to your profile, go to Settings and Privacy, Sign in and Security, Email address. Make sure the primary email address present in your LinkedIn account is same as the email address that is linked with your Playbook AI account. If not, add your email address which is present in your Playbook AI account and make it as primary email. Next, go to Notifications, Connecting with Others, Invitations to Connect. Here, switch on all the notifications and choose your email frequency as individual. Same way, go back, go to Messaging, Messages, switch on all the notification and email frequency as individual. Again, go back, Message Reminders, switch on all the notifications, and in Mails, switch on all the notifications and choose the frequency as individual. In-mail reminders, switch on all the notifications. That is all. Now your LinkedIn account is set. Go to your task, LinkedIn task. Click on Open Profile. The request will be sent automatically. Then you can click on Complete. The same way to perform LinkedIn message task, go to LinkedIn message. Write down your message or you can choose from the template. Click on Open Profile. And the message will be automatically pasted and sent. Now we can click on Complete.